Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Excel Stream. Okay, today we will learn about currency denomination calculator. We will calculate the number of denominations basis the enter amount. हम क्या करेंगे आज हम ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि हमें कितने कौन से नोट चाहिए कितनी क्वांटिटी में बेसिस कि हमने क्या अमाउंट डाला है. Also, we will learn about how ATM logic work. ठीक है? Do you ever think what is the logic behind the ATM money disbursements? How it calculates which denomination to give and in how many quantity? We will learn a basic version of it today. तो दोस्तों क्या आपको पता है कि एटीएम कैसे वर्क करता है? कितने नोट किस क्वांटिटी में निकालने हैं? वो आज हम सब एक छोटे से कैलकुलेटर के थ्रू हम सीखेंगे. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट द करेंसी डिनोमिनेशन कैलकुलेटर. तो यहाँ पे हमारा एंटर्ड अमाउंट है 6700. हम क्या करेंगे? हम यूज करेंगे इंटीजर फंक्शन. ओके, विल डिवाइड दिस बाय दिस. ओके, फर्स्ट. ओके, तो हम इसको फ्रीज कर देते हैं कॉलम को एंड यहाँ पे हम रो फ्रीज कर देते हैं. ओके, तो हमें अभी क्या चाहिए? 3 नोट चाहिए 2000 के. ओके, नाउ ड्रैग इट ओवर हेयर. आपको अब क्या करना है? व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस with this. Okay, and then reduce it from this amount. Okay, so how we will do it? We'll use some product and over here we'll freeze this cell. Okay, we'll freeze row number and over here we will freeze this column. Okay, and put a bracket because we need to. So क्या करेगा ये? It what it will do? This from this amount it will reduce some product. What it will do? It will multiply this by this and subtract it from this amount, and for whatever the result we have, it will finally divide that amount with 500 rupees and round down to the number. Okay, and you can track this formula like this. Okay, so you will get 6,000, 6,500, and 6,700. And if you drag this formula, here you go. For example, in case of 525, you will get 500. You need a note of 500, a note of 20, and a coin or a note of 5. Okay, all right. 2,000 to 5, 10,000, 10,400. Remaining is 39. So a note of 20, a note of 10, a note of 5, and a 2 coin of 2 rupees. Okay, so this is the you know how करेंसी डिनोमिनेशन कैलकुलेटर. तो इसने क्या किया है? आपको ये निकाल के दे दिया है कि आपको किस करेंसी के कितने कॉइन्स चाहिए या कितने नोट्स चाहिए बेसिस द अमाउंट यू एंटर्ड. एंड इन द सिमिलर फैशन we'll learn a small logic of ATM, how ATM version, a basic version of ATM. Okay, so we have a this template over here. We'll use the same thing. Okay, we'll use integer. Okay, this number divide by this. Okay, it will give you, and over here you will freeze the column B, and over here you freeze the column 18. Okay, now we'll drag it over here and just like जैसा कि हमने ऊपर किया था, we'll do the same thing over here. We use some product. Okay, and C18 to C18 and C19 to C19, put a double bracket, and over here, okay, and what you need to do, you need to freeze this. All right, you need to freeze this because जब आप इसको drag करेंगे you need this freezed amount over here. तो आपको क्या करना है, इस सेल को फ्रीज करना है. You need to freeze this. Okay, freeze this as well, but in this case you need to freeze row number 18, and over here you need to freeze column number only, and you can drag. Okay, दोबारा समझते हैं from scratch. So we'll use integer. You need to, क्या करना है आपको, करेंसी नोट को निकालने के लिए बेसिकली आपको इस नंबर में से, ओके, हम यहाँ 200 वाले पे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ मैं. आई विल एक्सप्लेन ऑन 200 करेक्ट 200 डिनोमिनेशन नोट. So B19, which is this cell, minus some product. What it will do, some product, it will multiply this by this by this. Okay. So what we have done, we have taken this, which is C18 to D18, which is C18 to D18. Okay. And it will multiply with this into this. Okay. So whatever result we got from this formula, which is 6,000 and 1,500. Okay, so 7,500. It will subtract 7,500 from this cell. Okay, then we have 390 rupees. Okay, it will then 390. It will divide it by 200. Okay, you will get 1 point something, and then you have used the integer, and integer function rounds down it to 1. Okay, let's understand it once again. Okay, this is our amount, which is this. Okay, then we'll subtract some product, which is multiplication of this into this into this, and this into this. So over here you will get a result. For you, I will copy it over here to understand, to have a simpler understanding. Okay, you get 7,700. Okay, the result of this function is 7,700. So after that, 7,700, 7,890 minus 7,700, you will get 190. Okay, so the result of this is 190. 190 divided by 100 comes to 1.9. Okay, so, and you have, since you have used the integer function, okay, it will round it to the lowest number, which is 1.9 का lowest number क्या है, that comes to 1. You get a 1. Okay, but this is not the full amount. If you do the sum product of this, okay, you got 7,800. We have 90 rupees remaining. But in ATM, in Indian ATMs, there is hardly you will get any 50 rupees note or a coins. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? Uh, we'll use this minus some product of this and this, and over here we'll freeze this into this. Okay, and the final output, what will the ATM do? Will add, if this value is greater than 0, then ATM shows enter the amount in available currency. Okay, and if this is 0, it will give you disburse the payment. Okay, or one more thing, if there is no 500 currency available, denomination available in the ATM, currently it will give an error. For that, you please add over here if error. Okay, and put a zero symbol over here and then drag it. Okay, so please drag it over here and drag it this. Okay, so if you have 7500, so since you do not having a 500 currency domination, it will give you 6000 over here, 7400, 7500. If you add by mistakenly added this, it will give you a throw you a error. Okay, just like this, it will give you a error. If you have 500 rupees currency but do not have a 100 rupee note, so for example, if you have written 7600, or if you do not have a 200 rupee currency, okay, so it will calculate it accordingly. All right. So guys, if you like this video, do share it to your friends and spread the knowledge. Like and subscribe if you learned anything new today. Bye. Take care.